Hi everyone, this is SheShe coming on to share with you an Aliexpress haul from Alina Cuddle's store. So first I have this 6-pack of embellishment bottles. There is a twist off cap and you can fill up your bottles with sequins or gems or flat back pearls, whatever you want, and the cap does not fall off. It doesn't come off or pop off, just twist it. So again, they come in a pack of 6, and I believe there's also a case that these fit in her shop. I don't have the case, I just have the little bottles. Okay, so there's that. So I'm going to move on to some projects that I made with the dies for this release, and I used the word sparkle and the seashell that you can also use as banners if you like. It's a really big size. It's like 5.5 inches by 5 inches. And then of course the mermaid girl. And so this is how my card turned out. I really loved all the sparkle and glitz and glam. And I used shiny paper, like a pearlized paper, for the embossing folder. So everything really shines and pops. So there's the first card. The next card I want to share, I used some banners. I also used that word sparkle again. And this is how my card turned out. I used the sentiment banners as like a background to put my sentiment on there, and then I added some sequins. So that's how that turned out, and I really love that one. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next card, and it is the You Are My Sunshine card. It's made with the sun rays. So it has some cloud edge dies right now that you can stencil or layer up as I did. For the sun rays, you can also flip this to go different directions. Like you could have the sun rays going that way and then the clouds going underneath, but I thought it looked really nice this way. So I was just trying to be different. So I really liked how this one turned out, so I hope you enjoyed that card. Okay, next is the doctor and nurse people. She has a lot of these dolls in her shops that do different things. She has like chefs, and then the other ones that have different characters and outfits and stuff. So doctor and nurse are the theme for this one. And this is how they turned out, very detailed. So I don't have the stamp set that goes with this, but I did stamp die cut Get Well Soon. And then there's a Get Well Soon die in her shop. So that was just perfect for that card. Okay, next I use these all the time. These flowers, the filler flower set, and I used the Hexagon with the filigree work and flowers and butterflies on the inside. And so this is the card I made, Thinking of You. I added some flat back pearls here and there, and this is how it turned out. So I really love the colors, and then I just did a flower spray on the side. Okay, I'm going to move on to my next card, and it's the rose background. It also has a layer, and this is how that card turned out, and I just added stickles for the inside of all the flowers to make it really shiny and sparkly. So I've loved how that one turned out. Okay, I'm going to move on to my next card, and it's this one, Hugs. I use these little tiny letters to put in the little hearts. And then the banner set that I used, I just folded them over to make the banners. I used this banner right here. And then I just added some bows from my stash to complete the banner. So I really love how this one turned out, really cute. Okay, I used this banner set again, and I made a masculine theme card, Best Dad Ever. And the Best Dad Ever comes from this die right here. So I used that. So I hope you like the idea for that card. And this set I used these dies right here. Again, these are sentiment dies, but you can use them as accents on your card. So I made a butterfly card, and I used the butterfly from this set right here. So I really love how this one turned out and the colors. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to some other items, and I made a fan with this fan layering set. I used the grommet to put it together so that it slides open so that if you're hot, you can fan yourself. So, and then I just added some hearts for decoration. I'm sure you could do more with this, but I just keep my fans simple because I really plan on using them for fans because it's really hot right now. Okay, next she has some like acetate plastic sheet type material for your shaker cards. So I used that, and the Spa Day stamp set, and I used the Sentiment Nothing, a bit of Shopping Can't Fix. I also used this banner set right here. It's a different shape for my sentiment. And so this is how my card turned out. I used some shopping bags from these Fashionista dolls, and I'll link them below if you're interested. They're like different styles, and they do different positions and hold different things. But I used the shopping bags over here, and then for my window I used this little layering piece from the lipstick box. So I thought that turned out really neat. And again, I put the plastic sheets underneath the window so it looks like a window and it shines. And then for the dresses, I used this right here, these 3 dresses on the card to come up with this. Okay, well that is my haul video share for today. I hope you enjoyed everything I've shared today and you were inspired to recreate some of these cards that I've made. If you would like to do that, feel free to check the description box. I have linked all the products I used in this video. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. Take care and have a fabulous day.